body cramping? Is it weak? Do you feel tired? Do you get acne, bloating? All of these things can be due to an acidic body. You can counteract this by taking this alkalizing juice. Hope you enjoy.
So we're going to be putting in 1 stalk of celery, which is high in fibre, and water. About 20 to 30 grams of papaya, which is greatly alkalizing and really has some really great digestive enzymes. Some carrots, which have keratin, which helps your eyesight, and a little bit of sweetness for the smoothie. And beetroot for blood and liver cleansing. 1 pear, which is low in salicylates, meaning a low histamine reaction if anyone has sensitive skin. This smoothie is really great for anyone with sensitive skin, as each ingredient is alkalizing and low in salicylates. Too many salicylates can cause a histamine reaction. Eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, any inflammatory skin condition. So we're going to pop it into a blender. You could also use a juicer. I'm just a bit cautious about waste, but I think it definitely tastes a lot nicer if you juice it. I really did struggle to put this down, but it is really healthy for you, and the fibre of course is very good as well.
I made this recipe into a smoothie to save all of that beautiful fibre. If you'd like to make it into a juice, you are using the juicer, then you're more than welcome. Whatever works for you.
I used this juice and the information about salicylates while I was going through a really tough time with my skin, and I believe that it really helped me a lot, just understanding the different things that affect our skin. It's also complicated, but it does work out in the end, guys. Don't give up. There's a lady named Karen Fisher who has done a lot of research about salicylates and how it affects the skin, and she has helped thousands of people with their skin issues. So this is where I found that recipe. I have changed it a little bit, but it's pretty much very similar. So if you're looking to find more information about salicylates, I would encourage you to look her up.
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, because that really helps my channel to get out to more people and allows me to make this my full-time job, sharing this content with you all. Alright, many blessings and have an amazing day.